All right, now that we have our video, we're gonna go ahead and go into the editor. This is a unlimited feature, so you have to pay for this. If you are a CNUSD employee, we get this for free, or it's already included. Our district bought the subscription. If you are not a CNUSD employee and you're watching this video, they have an educator discount, and I think it's $29 for the year, which is what I used before my district purchased it, so it's pretty reasonable. But go ahead and check that out if that interests you. Okay, so as I mentioned in the last video, there's a basic editor that is included, and that just allows you to trim the sides. So you could trim in the front and you can trim in the back. There's actually an editor here. So if you go to open an editor, and this lets you do a little bit more if you want. I've been using Screencastify for a couple of years. I typically don't feel like I need to use the editor too much, but it's a great tool to have because I have used it a couple times. So what the editor lets you do, it lets you merge, cut, crop, and trim your videos. So it lets you do this for any video file. So if you do something in iMovie or on your phone, you can actually record it or upload it to your Google Drive, and then you can open it in here and you can use the editor for free. So go ahead and hit close here. It's going to pop up my video here. You can zoom in on your tiles if you want, or you can make them really small. So it's up to you how you want to do it. All right, so that goes like probably milliseconds, and then this is obviously a lot quicker. So that is just a personal preference. I keep mine right in the middle. Over here, we have a text bar. So you can actually add text to your video if you would like. So you can make it huge, put it in the middle. So that just gives you the option to use text in your video if you would like. And it shows you right here where you've put the text. So right now I have it on this opening slide. I could drag it so it plays throughout all of these, or I could just keep it right here. So it allows you to decide how long you want "This is so cool" to play in your video. So if I hit play here, today we're going to go over, go back. So to hit play, the "This is so cool" is up, Screencastify, and then it goes away. So if there is a part of your video where you want to have text or you want to point out something, then you can do that, and you can decide, and you can even move it too. So like "This is so cool." I can move it around to different parts of my video. So if text interests you, that is available there. And then the trash can right here, if you just select something, it lets you delete it. Another option is the cut tool. So we have the trim tool, which we've used earlier. The cut tool is if you want to cut parts, like let's say you mess up right here and you want to cut part of your video, you can. So I don't like my intro, or I don't like this middle piece right here. I'm going to cut it, and then I'm going to select it, and I'm actually just going to delete it, and then it goes away. Okay, so that's what the cut tool does. I'm going to undo that here so it comes right back. But if you want to cut something, so let's say I want to cut this part right here, this one section. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to do cut, and then I'm going to cut it one more time here, and I'm going to hit cut, and then see how it separates it. It will allow you to expand it if you want. So definitely something to play with. I am not the video editor expert, but those are the options that are available to you. One of my favorites, and this one I actually do use a lot, is the crop. What the crop does is, so it lets you take out all the extra stuff. So if I just wanted to have this on the screen, I can crop it here, and it's just going to show that. So out of all of the tools, I use the crop the most. So I'm actually going to, so see how it only cropped right here because that was the only one I had selected. So I'm going to actually select everything, and then I'm going to apply the crop to it all. Maybe if I can get it to work. So that is the crop. So here we're going to crop it. And then you see here that it cropped it for us. And then same here, since I cut it, it's going to make me do it on each little cut that I did. But if you didn't cut it, it would just do it for your whole video. So that is the crop tool. I highly suggest that one. I use it probably the most out of all of them. But those are some editing features that you have available to you. Another one is that you can add a clip. So let's say you're talking about commas, all right, and you're giving a lesson and you just did an example on commas, and you have a video that you want to upload about commas, you can do that right here. So you can either upload it directly from your computer, you can upload it from Google Drive, but you can add another video if you would like, and so that's right here. Once you are done and you are happy with it and it's great, you are going to export it. So you're going to hit export, and you can either export it as an MP4, it will save directly onto your computer, or you can export it to your Google Drive. It's going to have you rename it. So if you make all these changes and you decide that you don't like it, you want to go back to your original, it's not going to save over your original like the trimmer does. This will give you a whole nother video. So this could be Screencastify editor tutorial, and then I'm going to hit save. It's going to process the video, and then it's going to save it for me to look at. So that might take a couple minutes. It might take, again, it just depends how long your video is, but it is for the most part pretty quick. And that is how to use the editor in Screencastify.